To create and activate a Stripe account, the process is relatively straightforward. Start by going to stripe.com and clicking Start Now, which will take you to a page where you can create your account. To begin, enter your email, full name, country, and password. Then select your country from the available options. After filling in this information, click Create Account. Next, verify your email by opening the email sent to you and clicking the Verify Email button, which will take you to the dashboard. To activate your account, click Activate Payments and fill in some questions about your business, including its location and type. Then, enter your personal details and provide more information about your business, such as your VAT number, industry, business website, and product description. If you don't have a website, you can enter a social media page or LinkedIn link instead. After providing this information, describe how you will fulfill your orders, choosing from options such as within 1 day, within 2 weeks, within 1 month, or more than 1 month. This selection will determine the speed at which customers receive their products. You will also need to enter public details for customers, including a statement descriptor and a shortened descriptor, which will appear on invoices. For example, if you're selling an ebook, you could enter ebook about Shopify as the statement descriptor and ebook as the shortened descriptor. To secure your account, connect your bank account by filling in the required information and confirm it. Then, keep your account secure by using an authenticator app or adding a security key. If using an authenticator app, scan the provided QR code, enter the code you receive, and save your backup code. Finally, review your details, agree to the terms, and submit your application. Once your account is activated, you can start receiving payments by creating an invoice, subscription, or payment link. With your Stripe account set up and activated, you can begin collecting payments and managing your business's finances.